Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of Hollyland Lark M1 digital wireless microphone. Let's begin. Okay, so I have my trusty knife right here and I will now cut the little box out of the foil so we can take a closer look at the box itself. So I do think that it's somewhere... Okay, these are a little funny. I don't want to really damage the box, which is pretty hard to do, but okay. We have one side done. Let's go over this one. But this side of the box is... Oh, wait, is this the funny box? I'm wondering about the design, because sometimes the design of the boxes itself are really... I don't want to say funky and I don't want to say weird, but they are specific to say at least. Especially with the foil, like I am not sure what should I do about the foil itself. Like how should I get rid of it? Can I just do this without hurting the box? I'm not sure, but we can try. We can also try to just rip it open from the foil so we can get it to the insides, but okay, so it was a good idea. So now we are getting rid of the foil and we can take a closer look at the box itself. At the top we have a simple design of the microphone itself and also some of its features. On the left side we have nothing. On the back we have for what it's for, basically. I'm not sure if you guys can see something actually. Let me just simply go and I will now simply pause the recording and I will fix the brightness because I don't think you can see anything. Okay, I have damped down the exposure so now you can actually see the box once again. Sorry for that. But we do have our Hollyland. And at the back we have what it's used for. We have the interviews, the vlogs, podcasts and live streaming. You can also see the information that it's one personal wireless microphone system without a charging case, possibly, which is pretty interesting. I'm really curious to see what's inside. So let's go and let's cut the little sticker. Oh, that was a close one. I really don't want to lose any of my fingers. But let's simply just remove this. Oh, that was unfortunate. Let's remove this one. And I think that's all. I think we can now get rid of this. So, just like that. And now... I really don't want to break the box, but okay, that's just how you open it. So now we can see... Ooh, that's fancy. I'm surprised we don't see like a box or something, we just see a case. Okay, that's cool, there's nothing here. Like, there's nothing in the box, it's just a case with stuff inside. I'm pretty surprised. Normally you would see like a bunch of different cardboards and stuff, and you probably would want to buy a case like alone. That's interesting. Though it is a different model, I think, than this one, because we clearly do not have a charging case, as this is a cheaper version without a charging case, because normally you would have one transmitter and one receiver. Here we have only one transmitter and one receiver and not two receivers. So these are the big guys. This is probably the microphone. It's kind of hard to tell, to be honest. Let's open these so we can open it from... Oh, okay, the stickers are pretty funny. So we can get rid of that. And we have... I think this could be the receiver, though I'm not entirely sure. Okay. So Okay, to be honest, I have no idea which one is receiver, which one is not. Though probably this one is the receiver, this one is transmitter, since we can see a little microphone, I want to say texture, and also the ability to basically like clip on it, which is pretty cool. And they are really lightweight, like they weigh almost nothing. I do think, I've actually searched up, they should be weighing for about 11.8 grams each, so they are really like, they almost weigh nothing. It's pretty cool. But let's see what we have else in the box. We have this little case which has nothing in it. So, okay. And here we should see all other accessories. So we obviously have our charging cable, our two charging cables. They are really generous. Like these are not expensive. This is not expensive microphone. I do think it's about $80. Maybe like, I think 100 for the two-person option with the charging case. But we bought it for like $18. And I'm pretty surprised. So, holy okay, I can't say that. Except, we do have 3.5mm jack, but also we do have windshields. I mean, only one windshield, but wow, I'm really surprised. I didn't expect that many accessories. I don't think we actually do need to like input it a certain way or not. Okay, we can just do that. And we have a built-in windshield. Amazing. And it's also like gum. Like so we can clearly and easily. Okay, I know I'm like repeating myself, but I am really surprised. Normally you don't receive this. Like you don't receive this. You receive a whole other things, and you need to buy a windshield separately. You want to probably buy a case separately, just so you can profit. But here you have everything you need, to be honest. And we have other jack that's also different from the main jack. Like one side is brighter than other, and the length is not that good. But you don't really use jacks, okay? This is wireless microphone. You don't really use jacks. You only use it for the transmitter, and we have a user guide here. I'm really surprised on how well it's packed, because holy moly, we are here for you. After sales cards. Oh my god, is it just okay? This is probably the most customer-friendly thing I have ever unboxed and ever touched in my hands. I mean, we have a built-in cardboard of support page in case something is wrong. And we have all of that. I know it's not visible, but we have all of that. Excuse me? I am beyond like anything. That is so cool. We also have a user guide. If you are interested, you can always just pause the video and investigate the cards manually, and we also have a user manual. Okay, so we can clearly see that we have two different like sets, and I think that I'm not sure if you can see this because of the focus, but we do have a two-person wireless microphone system, and we have only one person. Oh, I don't know where can I find it, but we do have this smaller option. And it will also come with a charging case and a second transmitter and a second for the windshield. And yeah. Oh, okay. Hold on, I want to check. Yeah. Okay, so the lighter port is for the cameras, while the darker one, or maybe not. Okay, I may be too stupid for this, but one cable is for the cameras only, and the other is for something else. I'm not exactly sure what. And yeah, the amount of items above are subject to the package edition, and we do have the smaller edition with one person option. But I do think it's all for the unboxing, and I know I am repeating myself, but I will mention this again. I am really surprised by amount of I want to say content, by amount of stuff we receive. And this is really a budget microphone, a budget wireless microphone. If it has a nice quality to it, then it's incredible. Like, I am really beyond anything. Wow, incredible. Yeah, but I do think it's all for this video now. If you want to know more about this microphone, if you want to see the tests or how to plug it in, how to unplug it, how to basically use it, we do have other tutorials on that. My friends will actually record the entirety of this microphone. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and you can always just check it and find it on our channel. So yeah, that's all for this video. I really thank you for watching it and staying with me, and see you next time. Bye! Oh my god.